Hi everyone! As you all know, we have here now Affinity Designer 1.7. And it comes with some improvements and some new features and some new tools. And well, my interest for this video is a quick tip for those of you who are feeling a bit lost when it comes to not the new tools, because I'm not going to talk about that here. But there is one thing that some people have asked me, and yes, I'm going to show you how to fix this thing that formerly was working different. So I'm going to go from the new version to the old one, and I'm going to activate the pen tool, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So I trace here my path, and now I detach from it, and I trace a new one. Now, what happened before if I am here and I say, yeah, I want to, keep drawing in this line. So I activate the pen tool, I come here, I click on my node, and happily I keep going. And I have this attached, the two segments I just created, as one single path. So what happens now is slightly different. So you come here, you start tracing, and now, well, I detach from this, and I start tracing a new curve, a new path. Now, I come back to my former path, and I select it, and I say, okay, now I'm gonna keep on tracing. So I click on here, and I keep tracing, and oh, what happened here? Now it happened that we have two different segments. As you can see here, these are two separated segments. So, how should I proceed in order to get exactly the same results we were getting before? Well, it's quite easy. Just say, you're with your pen tool, and you come here and say, okay, no, I cannot do this, I just show you. So the only thing you have to do is temporarily activate your node tool, select the last node with it, and now you can keep drawing as just one single path. With this little tip, it's solved. So basically that's it for this video, and thank you very much for watching. And well, just one more thing, if you want to know all about all these new tools you see in here, and the snapping options, and for the pen tool and the node tool, just go ahead, in the description you have a link for a new class that I just released on these matters. See you there if you are interested. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.